Hi, it's been a while. I hope you guys are doing well. I am today at a place called Gathered Goods. It's an antique store. It's got furniture, antiques, and all kinds of stuff. I tried to come here a few weeks ago and they were closed unexpectedly. So I am going to check this out. Let's go. This bench is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how much it is. I'm thinking for my front porch to put some of these shutters to kind of block the wind and my neighbors. This bicycle is adorable. Let me see how much it is. $38. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, this place is adorable. Oh, look at this cute little bench. $42. I don't know what this is. This must be some kind of press. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, here's the letters. This mirror is pretty. It's $28. Oh, look at that cute little baby chair. These would be so cute, these Scrabble, to spell out something and give it as a gift in a frame. Oh, and look at these little dominoes. Those are cute. Lots of ashtrays. You don't see ashtrays very much anymore. Those chairs are gorgeous. $24. Look at that picture. It would have been perfect in my living room. Look at this picture. That is so pretty. $18. Gosh, look at this old typewriter. How much was that? $32. And then this old washing machine. That is beautiful. Not sure how much it is. $24 for this Coca-Cola crate. Gosh, this place goes on and on. I was looking for a table like this for the longest time. Now here it is. $99. That's a good price. This is pretty. Looks like a door or something. Oh, let's go over here. Look at the telephones. I don't think kids would know how to use these anymore. That's a nice mirror. Oh, it's heavy too. I don't see a price for it though. This cabinet is $189. It's a gorgeous cabinet. Love this chair. Dukes of Hazzard. Elvis. Wow, look at this old Victrola. It is $325. Love this old fan. $30. Oh, I like this table. Oh, it's a display. Is it a display table? Huh. This mirror is pretty. $125 for it. Some surfboards. Whole bunch of saws. Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thanks. I love your shop. This is my first time here.
Okay.
These are tubs for $42. Well, that place was just adorable. The press that I thought was like with stamps, that wasn't with stamps. I asked the owner and he told me that was a drill press and it was missing a lot of pieces. But he had so many cute little unique things and I didn't think the pricing was that bad. It was a small shop. I thought there was more to it in the back, but he said that was just a little workshop that he uses to repair some of the stuff. But anyway, if you are in Frederick, it is called Gathered Goods and it is on East Patrick Street. I will put the address at the beginning or, here at the end of the video. So I hope you like this quick little video. And if you're out and about, enjoy your thrifting. Bye-bye.